I know you. You wanted to destroy the spirit world with your other reincarnation. I had a bad dream about you once.
Promise I'm not like that anymore.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm going to get punished for mentioning my footsie. How is my footsie?
It's fine to me.
Good. And also, I went to go see Giles. He said I probably need this. So, after that, something will happen and I will not be prepared for it.
I miss my daughter.
I miss my spleen.
Hello, Eliza.
Hi.
I am going to train you in the way of the Time Lord so you can kill. When the time comes, Eliza, you'll kill somebody.
I'm going out.
Don't forget a coat.
Okay.
It might be chilly.
Okay. Mom, where are you? Mom? Mom! Mom!
Missy!
Yeah?
Missy!
Yeah?
Take.
What do you want me to do with this?
Keep it. Tell old Steve, your daughter just killed me. I can't go back to the spirit world. I'm immortal now. So, say goodbye to old Steve for me. Say
Okay.
what you do.
I will.
And make sure my granddaughter has a good wife.
He just disappeared. Whoa. What is wrong with you? Why did you kill him? What do you mean? He hurt me, so I killed him. Well, I'm sorry he hurt you, but I'm gonna have to do it again. Mom! I'm sorry, but how the fuck dare you kill your grandpa? Wait, he was my grandpa? He was my grandpa? Don't cry. I want you to follow in your grandpa's footsteps. And I want you to be a god. An amazing one at that. Now I've got to go save Dr. Donna. Take care, Eliza. But why? Because time was rewritten.